A dead bug is an activation exercise in terms of our ramp warm-up scheme. The primary focus for this exercise is to target our transversus abdominis, our internal obliques, rectus abdominis, and erector spinae. So, knowing that it works those muscles, we know that this exercise is focused on our core, so thus will improve in stability as we exercise. So some key points to remember when we perform this exercise is to keep our back flat on the floor for the whole movement, keep our knees up at a 90-degree angle with our shins parallel to the floor, and making sure that our core is engaged for the whole movement. I will now give a demonstration on how to correctly and safely perform this movement. So to begin with, we want to safely get onto the floor, lying flat on our back, and then putting our arms extended up in the air, likewise with our knees bent at a 90-degree angle so that our shins are parallel with the floor. Once the core is engaged, we want to slowly put down alternating arms and legs. This helps with stability. We don't want the arms or legs to actually touch the floor. We want them to just hover above, as you can see here. And we want to make sure that they remain moving in unison. And we want to make sure that we engage our core the whole time for stability. A way in which you can make this harder is by doing both arms and legs at the same time with the same principle in unison, just hovering above the floor and keeping your core engaged. This exercise helps with supporting the stability in our core by strengthening those muscles that I mentioned earlier. It also helps with the coordination between the upper and lower parts of our body, as we really have to focus on making sure that we're moving them at the same time. All in all, this is a very good exercise for activating all of our core muscles before we start to perform exercise.